Ouch. 2 more very busy weeks. We got the wooden underroof on, and on top of that, the asphalt paper, which makes the house temporarily waterproof. And on top of that, a wood grid where we can fasten later our metal roof. Welcome to the Ersjon1852 project. The task was clear. We needed to finish the roof. We continued with the wooden underroof. More than 2,000 nails was needed and a very uncomfortable working position. Some achy legs and achy backs. Let me give you a brief update on our roof construction. On top of our timber logs we have the beams. On the inside of the beams we have a steam breaker, the white sheets in the picture. And on that we will later put an inner roof of wood panels. So the layers are from inside out. Roof wood panel, steam breaker, 400 millimeters, which is 15.75 inches of wood fiber insulation. Blue windbreaker sheet, super expensive. Ventilation space, wood underroof, asphalt paper, wood grid, and the metal roof. The asphalt paper, divided into sections, also took a while to get up. We had another 2,000 plus small nails to put in there. In the end of the week we had a real sprint. We worked very long hours because the weather predicted very, very heavy rains. And we just got it weather protected in time. We passed a big milestone. We got the roof weather protected. We got the house weather protected. We can't really finish by putting the metal roof on just yet. We need to finish up the edges of the houses first. Next, we're going to start with the outside walls. We're going to put up beams where the insulation is going to go. Hope you keep following us, and thank you for watching.